In this video, you'll learn how to access the n8n dashboard. This process involves several straightforward steps that will guide you from the initial search to the dashboard interface. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the search engine by typing in the address bar. For this tutorial, we'll use Google as the search engine. Next, in the Google search bar, type n8n and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate a search for the n8n service, and the search results will populate the page within a few moments. After the search results appear, look for the link that says WordCamera that says, once on the n8n website, locate the button that says Sign In. This option is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the Sign In interface. After clicking Sign In, a new screen will appear prompting you to enter your credentials, input your email and password associated with your n8n account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one before accessing the dashboard. Once you have successfully signed in, look for the option. Clicking this will take you directly to your n8n dashboard, where you can manage your workflows and automations. Finally, if you are using a shared or public computer, ensure that you log out after finishing your session for security purposes. This is a critical step to protect your account from unauthorized access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.